ZANU-PF Masvingo Provincial Chairperson Robson Mavenyengwa has boldly declared that President Emmerson Mnangagwa will remain in office beyond 2028. Zanopinda mashoko blanyo pana mazvinzi aiwa Masvingo province panguva inoi yodeclare kuti mutungamiri wenyika ari kusteya beyond 2028. Tobva subscribe like on the bell kuti pina pana pamudani komuchinzi. Speaking at the Masvingo province Presidential War Veteran Fund housing and borehole drilling launch, as well as the Masvingo West constituency victory celebrations at Gwengavi Primary School on Saturday. Mavenyengwa, a former senior officer of Zimbabwe Public Police, made it clear that the ruling party would disregard the constitution to ensure Mnangagwa stays in power. In quotes, we are clear on the issue. Masvingo province is solidly behind President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Our position is very clear. Please, we don't want noise. The president will be in office beyond 2028, Mavenyengwa declared. The chairperson also addressed the party discipline, expressing approval of recent party decisions. In quotes, we don't tolerate malcontents in the party. We are happy Blessed Geza has been fired. Here in Masvingo, we have Ganyiwa, Gopo, and a few others. These cannot remain in ZANU-PF. We are happy with Geza's dismissal, he added. Mavenyengwa's statements further solidified the province's unwavering support for President Emmerson Mnangagwa's leadership beyond his current term. Domashkana mlanyo kwa pana wakumana achiti aiwa they are solidifying the grip au yemtugamiri wenyika wachiti aiwa ngaramba chitonga beyond 2028. Panapa tikuona kuti vanhu vari kuchiclaim wachiti aiwa izvi zvanyanya 2030 nyika inenge yapapiri. Mapictures ari kutendera pasocial media awo. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudipa musoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu tudze mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, shut on the bell icon.